Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to choose security and scroll down. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, you need to read all of the disclaimers, choose setup at the bottom right corner, and over here read the instructions. Click setup at the bottom right corner one more time, and remember to keep your face in frame. Over here you can adjust all of those features however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones, and when you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner. Then tap on done, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!